Check, check, check. All right, yo, here it goes. I gotta make sure the volume's good. I'm talking a little loud because my last video was pretty bad as far as the audio quality. And shout out to everybody who tapped in though. I mean, it's always love in this end, so my bad on that. It's kind of a bad video. And I put so much work I put so much work into that video too, and the audio was bad, the music was too loud, all that good stuff. Anyway, we gotta make sure that the volume is right. Man, I'm gonna do a little something different today. If you got some time, like real talk, if you got some time, man, just come kick it with me. Today is Sunday. It's Father's Day. I have church. What time is it? It's 9:35. There's not going to be a lot of editing in this video because I just want to just have like a real conversation, man. I'm just going to kick back and kick it with y'all, man. Then I'm going to tell you what I got planned today. Family done gave me some cards. Family done got me a couple of kicks, man. I feel greatly appreciated. So let me start right here. Happy Father's Day to you. Yeah, happy Father's Day to you. You know, in this world, there can be a lot of pressure. There can be a lot of pressure, especially being a man in this world. I don't know. I can't speak for other countries and other places, but I can speak right here in the U.S., right, in the States, in the United States. Man, there can be a lot of pressure that's put here on, you know, on us as men. I mean, just in general, just across the board as men. So happy Father's Day to you. It doesn't matter if you are a father, a stepfather, an uncle, a brother, a neighbor, a co-worker, a godfather, right? Just a role model in general. If you, being a man, has poured into anybody else, if you've poured into their life, I'm telling you thank you. I appreciate you. Because sometimes, man, I don't feel like there's enough attention that's given. I don't think there's enough credit that's given to us just being men. I'm not trying to have a pity party, right? I'm not. But I say thank you. And I'm grateful. I'm grateful for everyone. Man, my phone's been blowing up. I've been getting messages like crazy. Took me a while to even kind of get the camera set up and get everything going because I'm just replying back to the beautiful people who hit me up, man. Man, I got a lot of messages. Man, my brother Shah back in New York, man. Known him since 94. We clicked up freshman in high school, went to St. John's Prep in Astoria, Queens. Been my brother ever since. Happy Father's Day to you. There's a lot of people, man. You want to know what I should do? I should just make a video, just shout outs. That's what I really should do. I got time. I actually have time today. Well, after church, I'm going to go bowling. I'm going to go practice. And then after that, I'll get back home, kind of clean up a little bit. And I'm off tomorrow. So let's get into some of this stuff right here. Man, so grateful, right? The importance of being a father. Even our father, right? Right? Our father. Man, I'm grateful. All right. I got a couple of items here. I'm not going to go into like a detailed sneaker review. Like I said, I got to get ready for church. Man, I just kind of wanted to spill that from my heart, you know, and share that with you. Let me show you what I got for Father's Day. I'm going to read some cards from the kids, from the wife. Shout out to my wife, Amanda. She gave me $150, Zelle, Cash App, whatever, how she sent it. I think it was Zelle. But anyway, she also got me a pair of kicks. My son, Jason, and my daughter, Jada, got me some kicks as well. And then I have some cards here. And I'm going to share it with you. Hopefully the volume is okay because I'm talking a little while. So let's get down to business. What should we start with? Should we start with the cards or the kicks? Cards or kicks? Cards. All right, hold on. Let's pick that up. All right, we got a little bit too excited there. Cards or kicks? Bro, let me tell y'all. You see that? Isn't that the crazy thing about having a face box? Because now when you get a face box, man, the face boxes are nice. I ain't gonna lie. The face boxes are nice. I've said this in other videos. The face box is nice. But if we get too many face boxes, if we get too many of them, man, it's gonna be hard to identify what's inside of the box. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start with the cards, man. We're gonna start with the cards. Let me adjust this lighting right here because your boy's looking a little light-skinned. So we're just gonna get that light out my face. There we go. That's a little bit better. Maybe we're gonna start with this card right here. It says Pops. I think that's me. That made me sound like super old though. Well, I'm gonna get on them for Pops. Pops. Now, you know, this is a man thing right here. So for all little ladies who's tuned in or whatever, you know how y'all be all proper. Like you know how like on Christmas, the people who be all proper when they kind of separating the tape. That's how we do it around here, all right? All that gentle, look at this. All that gentle stuff. We ain't doing all that gentle. We ain't doing all that. You get that thing open. Open that thing up. Hey, it's Father's Day. Hey. I think we'll go live later, man. I miss talking to you. I just miss kicking back. Peep this. I'm gonna go ahead and read it. Field guide to dad farts. You see? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now, of course, I leave it up to my kids to have a humorous card. Just when I thought they were going to give me a serious card. Hey, Dad, thank you for pouring into my life. Thank you for all of the money you always sent me whenever I'm hungry. And every day I ask for $15, $20, $30 to go to Chipotle and Chick-fil-A with extra pickles. And number one with extra pickles with an Oreo shake. That's my daughter right there. You know, you're such an amazing... No. That's not what I get. I get a card that says field guide to dad farts. That's what my kids get me. This is you see it. You get this. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you. I love you, kid. Thank you. All right. So here it goes. The first one should be called Pause. The Beef Blast. The Beef Blast? What are we talking about? The beef? The Beef Blast. Wow. The Wafting River? The Wheezy Wallop. The Wheezy Wallop. The boomerang, you know, it comes around. The arty choker. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see what my kids think of me? The boomerang, the one that comes back around. All right. Let's move forward. All right. Here we go. Happy Father's Day. This is my son, right? He said, enjoy yourself. Thank you for the wisdom and guidance, Jason. Now, when he said enjoy yourself, you see that right there? He said it in like that Rick James. You remember the whole Rick James, Charlie Murphy? He's like, enjoy yourself. He's like, I wish I had two more hands. He said, it's a celebration. Enjoy yourself. That's the context. Yeah, I know my son, so that's the context he said it. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I hope you enjoy the card. Love you. Hope you can really get loose this Father's Day. Look at that. He said he hope I can really get loose. So he's talking about me just, you know what I'm saying? Because around my son, you know, we'll crank those things off. Pause. But, you know what I'm saying? Around my son, we will do that. Shout out to my kids, man. I appreciate that, man. Thank you. All right. That one says babe, so you know that one's coming from the wife. I appreciate it. Uh-oh, dude. Just when I thought I was going to get some serious cards. It says, this Father's Day card doesn't need to be installed or repaired. Thank God, because before I made this video, I was literally out picking weeds. I got church to go to. And this morning, I was already out picking weeds out in the yard. Before I made this video on Sunday on Father's Day, because the work is never done. Right? The work is never done. So it says, This Father's Day doesn't need to be installed or repaired, picked up or dropped off, cleaned up or even paid for. Okay, let's go. I like this card already. I like it. I like it. It just needs you to relax and know you're loved. Happy Father's Day. I love you so very much. Thank you for all that you do. Love, babes. Look at that. Look at that. Man, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. All right. This is from the kids. We're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Y'all can tell from the box that is some Spizikes. Okay. The box kind of gave it away. The box gave it away. All right. I am rejoining the Spizike. I do have another pair of Spizike lows. They almost look like Tor Yellow 5s. So I'm not going to do a review on these at this moment. But when I do, I will find the Tor Yellows. And here we go. Look at that. I got me some Spizikes. Look at that. Look at that. The 40 Acres in the Mule. What a classic. Even just, no lie, even just having Spike Lee's face on there now, especially with the Knicks winning. Hey, especially with the Knicks winning. Thank you. Thank you to the... Man, that smells amazing. We're going to loosen these things up. I'll give you a review on these. Father's Day gift. I got me some Spizike lows. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And let's see what we have right here. Oh, okay. Hold on a second. Because look, it's a face box. It's a face box. So here it goes. Let's see what we got right here. Hey, we got the Air Jordan 5. The Black Carolina. Caroline. It's a good song, by the way. Oh, that smells amazing. Man, look at that. Look at that. Let's go. Hey, this is from the wife. I appreciate your look. I will give y'all a review on both of these pairs of kicks. Loosen them up. Show you what they is looking like. But man, I am grateful, man. When I tell you I'm grateful, let's get the other one out. All this heavy wrapping. Look at all this paper. All right. I'm gonna need somebody to create a fragrance. Just like that new sneaker smell fragrance. And you know, different shoes smell different ways. Yeah, different shoes smell that. I'll put that in my car so fast. Man, shout out to you. Like I said, I'm here to celebrate you today as well. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for every single person who has ever commented, who has ever showed me any type of love, whether you gave super chats, whether you shared a video with somebody, whether you took the time out of your day just to kind of get into a safe space and have some fun. I'm grateful. Not going to be much editing to this video, right? Maybe I'll throw some music on it because I don't know. I don't know. I just be liking music. But happy Father's Day again. I'm grateful. Seriously, I love you guys. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to you. Enjoy your day. And I want you to know, I appreciate you. And we out. Also got a surprise package in the mail. It's not really too much of a surprise because I'll just tell you, my Brick After Bricks arrived yesterday. And thanks to my guy, Lewis, I was able to get a retail juicy deal. Yep, healed your boy up. That was another beautiful Father's Day gift. That box is sitting around here somewhere. And I'm going to talk about those as well. In the meantime, we're going to go like this. We out.